Hi there, I'm Terry, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Who remembers the old slogan, "A sandwich is just a sandwich, but a manwich is a meal"? I do. Now that dates me, but if you do, you remember how good they were too. Are you looking for a meal to add to your dinner rotation that your family's going to love? Now I'm going to make double the recipe so that I can show you just how easy it is to end up making two meals at once. One you can put in the freezer. You'll need to dice up a half a cup of onion and add it into a skillet with 2 pounds of ground beef. Also half a cup of diced green pepper. Now just cook the ground beef, peppers, and onions over medium-high heat until the ground beef is browned and the onions and peppers have softened. This takes maybe 5 minutes, and as it cooks, make sure you go ahead and just break up your ground beef so that you have smaller pieces. Sort of like taco meat, you don't want big chunks. Once your ground beef is cooked, you want to add 1½ cups of ketchup. Add it to the ground beef in your skillet and stir it thoroughly. You want to make sure that ketchup coats everything. Now we're ready for the seasonings. Your seasonings are 6 teaspoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Just throw those in the pan with your ketchup and ground beef. Now you want to stir it together so that your seasonings, your beef, your ketchup, everything in that pan is totally combined. All you do now is reduce the heat, put a lid on your pan, and let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. Go back every once in a while and stir it, just to make sure it doesn't burn on the bottom. And there you have it. In less than 25 minutes, you've got a meal that everybody is going to love. A nice toasted bun and a heaping pile of Manwich Sloppy Joe mix, and everyone's going to be happy. Now, like I said at the beginning, this is a double recipe. The recipe that's listed below is for a single meal. But if you make it double like I did, you'll have one meal for tonight and another meal that you can store in a Ziploc bag and store in your freezer. Then when you want a quick lunch or dinner, you've got it all set in your freezer. Add some buns and you're ready to go. You can reheat it from frozen in the microwave or in a skillet, and it's just as good as when it was fresh. This is one of those meals that we come back to over and over, not only because it's easy, but it tastes delicious. You can find the recipe in the description box below, as well as a link to print it. So if you had fun today and you learned something you can use, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, do so you don't miss next week's new recipe. See you then.